Hi, it's Nick Kaiser with Mustache Approved Remodeling. I'm back out here in Chandler at our friends Ryan and John's house, and I wanted to show you, it's a little bittersweet. It is another final on this project here. We just finished. This was a pretty good stick. We came in here and we replaced these floors. There was no wall here before, so we ended up adding this wall. There was a wall inside the bathroom, but we added this barn door for so that when someone's in the bathroom early in the morning, you can close that door and keep the light from shining in here. We painted this room. Love the blue. It really goes well with everything. We did a dark wood plank tile floor. Amazing how that shook out. Light blue on the walls, and then that accent wall with the dark blue. Love the candles. Those are amazing. Really is looking great. Customer put in his own ceiling fan, and so come in here. Oh yeah, you can see how well that, so smooth. So we had a nice tower right in the middle there. We got drawers, we got 2 sink bases. These are pretty neat faucets. They have a swivel on them, which is kind of like a kitchen faucet, but it's nice to have for a bathroom. We did matte black fixtures. The sea matte is what this color, like the ocean, the sea, it's kind of like a Pacific blue color. And then we went with a flash series, and this is a cobalt blue. It's really pretty amazing because it has different colors of blue shades throughout it. But oh my gosh, look at, before they had a sunken tub there, and that helped a bit because it was already a void there. We had to chip off a little bit of the concrete along this edge, but we put up these 2 pony walls. This right here, again, featured, turns on the shower head. So you can see how that shakes out. This has a bidet. This thing just lifted up when I walked over by it. Really nice toilet. We added power there for the bidet. New exhaust fan. We painted in the closet. Ran the flooring into here as well. So we wanted the flooring in here to match, obviously, what we were working with in this area. So, oh yeah, it really ties in well. You can see on the floors in this shower pan, we ended up going with a marble looking tile that has like a hex. You know, they're a little bit bigger than a 2-inch tile. Oh, the toilet seat. Every time I get close to it, it lifts up. So if you walk up to this toilet, the seat will lift up on its own. It has a seat warmer, everything. You can adjust the temperature of the water. We went with matte black fixtures in here, but this, we ended up going with this tile because it has the accents. You can see the bluish gray for the wall, for the pan there, and it really ties in well with this quartz. This is the Aviana 2cm quartz from Arizona Tile. All our cabinetry comes from Solid Cabinetry out of Chandler, Arizona. So yeah, it's just another beautiful job. Kept the medicine cabinet. Actually, we added this medicine cabinet. There was one before over here on this wall. There was this wall. This was a wall you would open up to the shower area and the toilet. So pretty amazing how this shook out. You can't even tell there was a wall there before. So we added in the can light to get some extra brightness. There was one out here, but since we got these lights over here and this light, that's plenty of lighting. So yeah, and then we did a nice transition, and we changed the way that the pattern went. So these tiles came this way, and those ones went this way. So we changed the direction. But all in all, whole new master suite. So thanks for sticking around. I will create a playlist for this whole series so that you can watch the John and Ryan series of their whole project. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.